Hey, this is Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and today Realme launched the all-new Realme 2 in India. The Realme 1 has not been here for a long time, but we already have the Realme 2, and I know the one thing that you all are waiting for. It's the camera comparison, right? Well, that camera comparison is definitely coming, but before that, we wanted to give you a blind test between the Realme 2 and the Realme 1. So we're not going to tell you what phones these are before this video ends, and we'll show you pictures. They'll be marked A and B, and you'll have to guess which phone is which. So without any further ado, let's jump into this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do that and also hit the bell icon so that you can see a lot more blind tests, a lot more camera comparisons, and a lot more performance comparison along with the review. is Sreehari from Mr. Phone, and right now you're seeing a video from the front camera of the Realme 1 and the Realme 2. Let me know what you think of the audio and the video quality of the Realme 1 versus the Realme 2. So in the end, I know what you want to know. Which one was the Realme 2 and which one was the Realme 1? I think it was pretty obvious. The Realme 2 was the #1 image that you see, which was all the images marked A were from the Realme 2 and all the images marked B were from the Realme 1. So let me know what you thought, and I'm sure most of you guessed which was the Realme 2 and which was the Realme 1 right. If you did, let me know in the comments. If you went wrong, let me know in the comments too. I'll jump down and answer all your questions if you have any feedback about this. A detailed camera comparison is coming to you very soon, so stay subscribed for that, and a review is up on the channel of the Realme 2, so go and watch that video if you haven't already. So I guess with that we come to an end of this video. Hey, this is Sreehari from Mr. Phone. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.